Built on trust, driven by quality, made for you. From grocery to personal care, Z delivers. Trust, quality, care, and innovation in every product. Z, since 1991. Beauty that feels like you. Pure care. Honest ingredients. Celebrate your skin every day. Live beautifully. Live you. Built on trust, driven by quality, made for you. From heritage to your home, Z delivers. Vibrant by nature, trusted by generations.
Woo! Z Life!
Feel the vibe! Bold moves!
Z Life!
One passion, one crowd, one Z! We live loud, we lead bold! This is our legacy! Z, trendy today, trusted forever. One brand, many essentials, endless possibilities. From quality products to a better tomorrow. Z, for life. Built by many, led by few. For the dreamers, the doers, we lead. One vision, millions of believers. Radiant by nature, Z Beauty, redefined. Where science fueled, enhancing your natural glow. Confident, radiant, you. Ignite it your edge. Bold flavor, max energy, zero limits. Fueled by passion, driven by Z. Z, designed for you, inspired by nature. Pure, honest, timeless. Live beautifully, live naturally, live you. Bold, fearless, unapologetic. Own your style, live the Z life. Color that speaks you. Bold, refined, unapologetically you. Rich in color, luxurious in feel. Made for every version of you. At Z, we believe beauty is more than skin deep. It's about confidence, care, and embracing your unique glow. Elevate your beauty with Z. Chick is a choice. Boldly designed, beautifully yours. Z lipsticks deliver rich color, silky comfort, and all-day confidence. Because elegance is how you choose to be. Z isn't just a drink, it's an attitude. Bold in taste, built to stand out. This is your lane. Own it. Live bold, live free, live the Z life.
Own your style. Own every moment.
Chic is a choice. Bold, refined, unapologetically you. Z lipstick delivers rich color and luxurious comfort because chic is how you choose to be. Beauty that empowers you. Bold, refined, unapologetically you. Discover Z Cosmetics. It's how you choose to be. Introducing Z Radiant Skin Foundation. Experience flawless, radiant skin. Hydrating formula for all-day comfort and natural glow. Z. Ignite at your edge. Bold flavor, max energy, zero limits. Fueled by passion, driven by Z. For every woman, for every journey. Smart mobility that understands, respects, and empowers every stage of life. Different stages, one strength, infinite journeys. Confidence is your best accessory. Z brings you premium beauty essentials to celebrate your individuality, Be bold, be beautiful, be Z. For everyone, for every journey, smart mobility that moves with you, empowering every lifestyle, every dream, every day. One vision, thousands of minds, one Z. Together, we build a community of innovators and leaders. Driven by purpose, we lead the future. Z, for everyone, for every journey. Z is more than a car. It's a move towards a smarter, cleaner, and more connected tomorrow.
Not just a car, a movement.
Z is for those who don't follow, those who lead without asking for permission.
This is not just power, this is purpose. Join the movement.
Z is more than a car. It's a promise of smart mobility, built for people and the planet. For every love, for every journey, smart mobility that drives togetherness, today and every day. Different journeys, one destination.
Elevate your beauty with Z. A new standard in skincare blending innovation and nature. Clean, effective, timeless.